Dear students, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our exercise is 3.2, question number 3. Find the numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers, both numbers having same digit 1 and 3. 1 and 3, 3, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. Find such pair of prime numbers up to 100. So, we will draw a table of cell method. 1 is not prime or any composite number. Now 2 is our prime number, so we will cut the numbers which can divided by 2. So we will cut the all numbers which can divide by 2. All even numbers will out from the prime number series. 2 is only one even prime number. Now next number is 3. So we will cut the numbers which can divide by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, after 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, then 99. Now next number is 4 which is already cut, so the number is 5. Now we will cut the number can divide by 5. 5, 15, 25, 35, 55, 65, 85, 95, and here already cut. Next number is over 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, then 49. Now 56, 63, 70, 77. Now 84, 91, 98. Then next is 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Already cut. So remaining are our prime numbers. These are our prime numbers. Now take the question again. The numbers 1, 3, 3, 1 are prime number, both number having 1 and 3. Find such of pair. Now 1, 1 reciprocal is 1, 1. 1, 3 taken. 1, 7. So 7, 1. 7, 1. Yes. 1, 7 and 7, 1. Such pairs are 1, 7 and 71. Now 1, 9, 91 not. 2, 3, 3, 2. 3, 2 is not. 2, 9, 9, 2 no. 1, 3, 3, 1 already taken. 3, 7, 7, 3. 3, 7, 7, 3. Yes, this pair. 3, 7 and 7, 3. Now next is 4, 1, 1, 4 no. 4, 3, 3, 4 no. 4, 7, 7, 4 no. 5, 3, 3, 5. 5, 9, 9, 5 no. 6, 1, 1, 6 no. 6, 7, 7, 6 No. 7 1 already taken. 7 3 already taken. 7 9 9 7, yes, this pair 7 9 and 9 7. Then 8 3 3 8, no. 8 9 9 8, no. Then 9 7, which is taken. Such pair are 1 7 then 7 1 are prime numbers. 3 7 7 3 7 9 9 7. This is our answer. Next question is question number 4. Write down separately the prime and composite number less than 20. Prime numbers, the less than 20 in these two lines. Prime numbers are 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19. These are the prime numbers. And then composite number, the numbers who cut down one time, one is not even or prime number, so one out of this table. Now 4 6 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17, then 18 19, then 20. These are composite numbers. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 100? Greatest 197. Answer is 97. Now question number 6. Express the following as the sum of two odd number. 44 can made by two numbers. 44 will making by two odd numbers. So taking two numbers 11 31, not possible. This is our 42. Then 13 and 31, yes, this is our 44. So this can write as 13 plus 31. Now next number is 36. We will make 36 by this number. 3 plus 3 is 6, 1 and 2 3, 36. 13 plus 23. 13 plus 23. Now 24, 11, 13. 11 plus 13 is 24. Now 18. 11, 7, 18. 11 plus 7 is 18. Give three prime numbers whose difference is 2. The difference between two prime number is 2. 13 minus 11 is 2. So these numbers like such that pair we will find out from this table. These pair called prime twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers. 2 and 3 difference is 1. So this is not twin prime number. 3 5. 3 and 5. Now 5 7. 5 and 7. 7 to 9, no. 11 13. 11 and 13 are twin prime number. 13 15. 17 19. Then 17 and 19. 90 21, not. 23 25, no. 29 31, yes. 29 and 31. 29 and 31. 31, 33, not 37, 39, no, 41, 43, 41 and 43. Now 43, 45, no, 47, no, 53, no, 59, then 61, 59 and 61, 61, 63, no, 71, 73, 71 and 73. Now then 79, 81, no, there are no any twin prime numbers. So the twin prime numbers is 3, 5, again 11, 13, again 17, 19, then 29, 31, then 41, 43, then 59, 61, then 71, 73. These are the twin prime numbers. Let's take beginning from this question. Question number 3. The number is 1, 3 and 3, 1 are prime number. Both numbers are same digit 1 and 3. Find the such pair of up to 100. So we will draw a table up to 100, 1 to 100. Taking 2, we cut down the numbers which are divided by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 series. Now next prime number is 3, so we will cut the number which can divide by 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and so many more. 4 is already cut, so the number is 5, so we will cut the number which can divide by 5, so the series of 5 and series of 0. 6 is already cut, so we take number 7, we will cut the numbers which can divide by 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49 and many more. Now remaining are our prime numbers, so we will rounded the prime numbers. Then finding the such pair. 1, 3, 3, 1 already taken. 1, 7, 7, 1. Yes, 7, 1 is also prime number. So 1, 7 and 7, 1. 1, 9, 9, 1. 9, 1 is not prime number. Then 2, 3, 3, 2. No. 2, 9, 9, 2. No. 3, 1 is taken. 3, 7, 7, 3. Yes, this is our such pair. This is our such pair. Now 4, 1, 1, 4. No. 4, 3, 3, 4. No. 4, 7, 7, 4. No. 5, 3, 3, 5. No. 5, 9, 9, 5. No. 6, 1, 1, 6. No. 6, 7, 7, 6. No. 7, 1, 1, 7 already taken. 7, 3, 3, 7. Such pair this. 7, 9, 9, 7. This. 8, 3, 3, 8. No. 8, 9, 9, 8. No. 9, 7, 7, 9 is already taken. So such pair are these 3 pairs. Question number 4. Write down the separately prime and composite number. First of all, prime number up to 20. These 2 lines. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are our prime numbers. Composite number, one is not even or composite prime or composite number. Then again, composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20. These are our composite number. Question number 5. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 100? Greatest in 100, 97. So answer is 97. Express, question number 6. Express the following as the sum of 2 odd prime number. 44 will break into parts which are prime numbers. So 1, 3, 3, 1, when adding these, answer is 44. Now we will make 36. 36 will make by 1, 3, and 2 3. Addition of these 3 and 3 is 6, 1 and 2 3. So 36 will made by 13 plus 23, 24. 24 will make by 11, 13. By addition these we get 24, 18. Now we will 11 then plus 7 is 18. So these are our answers. Question number 7. Give 3 prime numbers whose difference is 2. Give 3 prime numbers whose difference is 2. Such pair of these prime numbers called twin prime. Now 2 and 3 having difference of 1. So these are not twin prime. 3 and 5 difference is 2. 5 7 difference is 2. 11 13 difference is 2. 17 19 difference is 2. 29 31 difference is 2. Then 41 43 difference is 2. Now 59 61 difference is 2. 71 73 difference is 2. Not any more numbers. So twin prime numbers are these. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 8. Which of the following numbers are prime number? Who is the prime number? Prime number having factors 1 and itself. The factors are 1 and itself. So means no can any digit divide in this. 23. By this table 23 is a prime number. Is a prime number. 23 is a prime number. Factors 1 and 23. 51 is a composite number. 51 is a composite number. Factors 1, we can divide by 1, we can divide by 3, then can't divide by 5, can't divide by 7, can't divide by 11, can't divide by 13. So next is 17, 51. Factor more than 2 then called composite number. Here is the factor of 51 is 4. So this is a composite number. Now 37 is a prime number. Factors are 1 and 37. 26 can divide by 2. So this is not a prime number. This is our composite number. Checking the factors. First of all, 1, 2 can divide 13 times and 26. These are the factors. If factor more than 2 called a composite number. This is our answer of question number 8. You can also write 23 is a prime number by table, 51 is a composite number by table, 37 is a prime number by table, 26 a composite number. This is our 26. Now question number 9. Write 7 consecutive composite number less than 100 so there is no prime number between them. We will find the 7 continuous number. 7 continuous number, between them there are no prime numbers. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, the chain break at 5. 1 2 3 4 5, chain breaks. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, the at 5 chain will break. 1 2 3 4 5, chain break. 1 2 3 4 5, chain break. 1 2 3 break. 1 2 3 4 5 break. 1 2 3 break. 1 2 3 4 5 break. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are continuous 7 numbers. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97 is a prime number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 consecutive composite number less than 100. So there is no any prime number between them. Now question number 10. Express each of following number as the sum of three odd prime numbers. 21 will make by 3 odd prime numbers. We will take 3. After taking 3, this is 18. By whom I make 18? 11, 7. So 3 plus 7 plus 11. 3 7 10, 10 11 21. The answer is right. Now I am making 31. I select 3. I subtract from this 3, 28. By whom I can make 28? By this. 3 plus 11 plus 17. 3 plus 11 14, 14 and 17. 4 7 11, 3, 31. Now 53. I am selecting 3, remaining is 50. By whom making 50? By this I will make 40. 40, not 50. Using this and this. Using this and this, I will make 50. 3, 19, 31. 3, 19, 31. 3, 19, 22, 22, 31. 3 and 5, 53, 53. Next is 61. First of all, I select 3, so remaining is 58. By whom I will make 58? By whom 58 will be made? 58 will make by 58. This is 50. No, we cannot make 58 by these. So we will move to our next digit. By 5. If I select 5, this is remaining is 56. If I select 5, then remaining is 56. By whom I will make 56? This is over 60. $56. By this only 46. This is 36. This is 66. No, By using 5 I cannot reach at 61, so I take 7. By using 7, remaining is by 7 54. Remaining is 54. 54 plus 7 is 61. Now the break of 54 will break 1 4 5 4 54 11 43 11 43 11 43. Now add these 7 11 18 43 8 3 11 1 2 4 6 61. This is our answer. You can make by any others combination. You can make many more combination for these digits. Now our question number 11. Write 5 pairs of prime number less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. We have to find two prime numbers. The addition of these can divide by 5. Which number can divide by 5? If one's digit is 5 or 0. One's digit is 5 or 0. By 2 plus 3 5, which can divide by 5. 2 7 2 13. 2 plus 13 is equal to 15, which can divide by 5. No one pair will make in these two lines, because question says that less than 20. So we will take prime numbers 1 to 20. 2 is over. Now 3 7. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, which can divide by 5. 3 17 is equal to 20, which can divide by 5. 3 is over. Now 5 plus something. No one can add in 5 to divide by 5. Now we will take 7 and 13 is 20. 7 plus 13 is equal to 20, which can divide by 5. Now this, yes, 11 19. 11 plus 19 is equal to 30, which can divide by 5. These are 1 2 3 4 5 6 pairs between 1 to 20 prime numbers. The addition of them can divide by 5. Now take beginning from this part. Question number 8. Which of the following numbers are prime? 23. By table, 23 is prime number. Next is 51, a composite number. Next is 37 is a prime number. Next is 26 is a composite number. Question number 9. Write 7 consecutive composite number less than 100, so there is no prime number between them. We have to find 7 continuous numbers in which in between them no any prime number. So we take continuous 7 numbers. 1 2 3 chain is break. 1 2 3 chain break. 1 2 3 4 5 chain break. 1 2 3 4 5 chain breaks. 1 2 3 chain break. 1 2 3 chain break. 1 2 3 4 5 chain breaks. 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 1 2 3 4 5 chain breaks 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, there are 7 continuous number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 90 91 92 93 94 95 96. There are 7 continuous number. In between them no prime number exists. Next, express each of following numbers as the sum of 3 odd numbers. We will add 3 numbers to making these. We have to find the combination by this table. By this table we will find the any combination to make these numbers. Next is question number 11. Write 5 pairs of prime number less than 20 whose sum is divided by 5. We will take two prime numbers in 20, so the addition of them will divide by 5. 2 3 5 can divide by 5. Then again 2 and 13 is 15. 15 can divide by 5. 2 3 2 13. Now taking 3 7 10, 3 70 20, 3 7 370. Now 5. No one can add in 5 to divide. Now take 7 13. 7 13 is 20. Now we will take 11 and 19. Now we can take 13 17. This is over 30. So these are the pairs which sum can divide by 5. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next topic in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.